My name is Golden Johnson, founder of House of Gold. Here we will find the minds, the brand strategies, and your digital presence online. I am here to see through that you get into your timeline of success. Whether you're a team, organization, small business, coach or consultant, creative or professional, a person who sells a service or product, we are here to support you. If you want access to the workbook, just find it right here on this page where you're watching this video and you'll have instant access to it. Everyone who purchases the workbook gets to have either a workshop with me, so I come into your organization and we actually go through the entire book and get you clear and ready. You can also hire me to do a one-on-one session virtually where we'll go through it one-on-one if you're a coach or a consultant, a creative. And thirdly, this is where I use this workbook to really solidify ad spend. So if you're running ads or about to run ads and you're not sure of how your content strategy should be like, all workbooks come with a session with a digital legacy specialist, or you can sit down with me and talk and we can get you into your next best phase. Until then, you take care, and I'm so excited to see your growth.